I had subscribed to IndiaMart and Alibaba also, but from there I was not getting good quality leads. I was getting the leads, but those leads were not the bulk buyers, and also they were not replying to the queries. Like they just put the query and then they just vanish. So in the last 1 month, I think we have received more than 50 leads now, and the leads are good. The buyers are bulk buyers, and I am talking with at at least 10 to 15 people are there with whom I am talking, and I I hope to close the deal very soon. The benefit is mainly that now I do not have to worry about the meta ads and leads and everything. I'm getting the leads, and you are the one who is like managing the meta, and that's it. Like the main thing in the business is leads, right? So I'm getting the leads. That is the thing. And also one more thing is there, due to meta ads, my organic traffic is increasing on the website. So I have not told you earlier. Abhi, I have just checked it yesterday only. S- The organic traffic on the site is also increasing.
Hi, Mohit.
Hi, Adi, how are you?
Hmm, Fine, Mohit. What about you?
I am super good.
The purpose of this call is to let the audience know about the services that you have taken from us, and and to check what is the experience that you have got uh, so far from us, right? So, Mohit, before we deep dive into that, can you just let people know about who you are, they do, and where are you right now in the business?
Okay. So I am a merchant exporter, and I am into disposables, food packaging, eco-friendly food packaging, and my target market is in United States. So right now it's going good. I have just started out a year back, and it's going fine.
Okay, Mohit. So, Mohit, may I know what were the struggles that you had before you started working with us?
Yes. Okay. So I had subscribed to IndiaMart and Alibaba also. But from there, I was not getting good quality leads, and matlab the leads were very. I was getting the leads, but those leads were not the bulk buyers, and also they were not replying to the queries. Like they just put the query and then they just vanish. That was the problem.
Okay. So, yeah, and may I know what that made you feel like? What made you feel about the struggles that you had?
So I knew it was a problem, so I was just looking for the solutions and met out the solution, and I tried to do it by myself. Was starting, and somehow I got some leads, but it was taking a long time for, like, my schedule was all disturbed due to the meta thing, and I have to optimize it every day. So that was also a problem for me. So then I stopped meta ads because I was not able to uh, make the schedule out of my daily work. So
Okay, okay, Mohit. And Mohit, we know what made you choose us.
yes, so your pitch was good, and like it was a very I found it to be very good. And also the main thing was your niche. You were doing the B2B ads only and for the manufacturers basically. So not for B2C. That was a very good point. And that I was looking for a agency who is into B2B mainly. So that was the main thing. And also the like we both learned the meta ads from the same person. So that was also a plus point. So that's it. That was the main thing.
Got it, Mohit. And Mohit, did you had any kind of a fear or the doubts before we started working together?
The doubt was uh, obviously there was a doubt that how it will go and how, but yes, matlab, I thought that uh, this doubt will be with me with everyone. Many agencies I'll start, there will be a doubt, right? But it is going well now. I don't think it is a problem.
Okay. And so, can you tell us about the results that you have got so far, like in this last 1 month?
So in the last 1 month, I think we have received more than 50 leads now, and the leads are good. The buyers are bulk buyers, and I am talking with at at least 10 to 15 people are there with whom I am talking, and I I hope to close the deal very soon. So it's going good. It's going very nice, and abhi to I think this is a learning phase of for Mecca, so I think it will improve
Yes.
next month.
Yeah, definitely, Mohit. And Mohit, may I know the timeline that you had before you start seeing some kind of the results? Like,
Yes, it was yeah, week I think. A week was first week was dead. There were no lead. I think only one or two lead was there. But after that, it just got better. Like yesterday only, I think we got 7 leads and was good.
got it, Mohit. And Mohit, now that you see that you are getting good quality, it's good number of leads per month. May I know how does this make you feel now?
So earlier I didn't have a lot of leads, so I was stuck at one one lead, one prospect only. So I was continuously I was just following up with them only, and the whole day I was just worried that if they will not apply, who I will block. And now I have every day I have new leads, so I don't have to worry about the old leads. So I keep on talking to new leads and new people and growing my network every day. So it will definitely be the old leads also they will also come back someday. But I have the I have some people to talk every day. So some new people. So that is a better thing, which is here.
Got it, Mohit. And Mohit, may I know besides the main thing or like besides the main part of the success where we give you the promise of good of where we give you the promise of good leads, were there any other things like were there were there are times or like were there or were there the insights or the experience that you didn't think you would get from us but you got and you found it very good?
Yes, the like your the sales script you have provided me, it is very good. We are working on it, so most probably बहुत जल्दी uh, doing we will be able to create a very good sales script for the business. And also earlier I was just doing it on WhatsApp on. Now I try to bring them on the video call and try to close. So that is also your idea. And like calendar thing and everything, like the video call setting and the notes taker and everything. So this is a plus point that the add-ons which you have provided. So was also help.
It move. And Mohit, like let's say someone is on the fence and thinking whether should I go with them or not. May I know what's the message you have for them?
Uh, I just I just think that if you want to start, just start it out. Just start and then see if it is working or i- it's not like you just have to. If you are keep on thinking and you are not doing anything, then it will not be worth it. Just start it out. It was just let's do it once and then you will see what will happen by yourself.
Got it, Mohit. Got it, Mohit. And Mohit, may I know what do you think? Who would get the most benefit from the services that we the offer?
The benefit is mainly that now I do not have to worry about the meta ads and leads and everything. I'm getting the leads and you are the one who is like managing the meta and that's it. Like the main thing in the business is leads, right? So I'm getting the leads. That is the thing. And also one more thing is there due to meta ads, my organic traffic is increasing on the website. So I have not told you earlier. Abhi, I have just checked it yesterday only. S- The organic traffic on the site is also increasing.
Wow, that's amazing. Like that's it. So like do you think also the online presence or the website presence
Uh, that will
what the impact because of
right.
Meta X?
Right. People are getting aware about the brand and they are checking Google also and they are coming on the website on Instagram and like every social media.
Okay. Got it, Mohit. And Mohit, what do you think? Like, if you had a chance to start working with me sooner, do you think that would have got you benefit even better?
Yes, obviously the learning phase would be over by now, I think, and then the cost also will drop. If we go ahead and talk about the next 2 months, too, I think the cost will also get down and the lead flow will also increase. So it will happen definitely. अगर पूरा earlier we will be starting then we started, so it will be a better day today also, better than what it is right.
Got it, Mohit. Thank you so much, Mohit, for the sharing this things with us today and also with the people. Uh, bye bye, Mohit. We'll have a we will talk about it and